Hi, and welcome to another episode of Coffee with Coatney. I'm Terry Coatney, and I've been doing a series of videos. This is the third in the series, all about the home buying process. So, you've already started the process. You know exactly what kind of loan you can get, and according to that type of loan, then you'll understand what you're going to need for a down payment. So, uh, there's a chance that if you are 80% of the appraisal value of the home, you will not have to have insurance, PMI insurance. However, if it's less than 80%, you're going to have an additional payment for this PMI insurance. Now, there are different types of loans. There's a conventional loan, typically like 20% down for those conventional loans. Then there's the government loans. In the VA and the USDA loans, they don't require a down payment, but they do have a fee that's associated with the loan instead of a down payment. It's not an enormous fee, but it is still a fee that is due on a yearly basis, I believe. So you're going to get a loan and you're a first-time home buyer, well, then there's all kinds of other programs for that. So find out what your credit score is, find out what kind of mortgage you can get, start talking to your lender, and work out what you're going to do as far as getting a certain type of a loan with a certain requirement. And you've got to keep in mind too that the inventory is very low in the Mid-Ohio Valley now. There's only 198 listings, less than 100 listings in Wood County, and less than 70 listings over in Marietta, so in Washington County. So it's important to have all your ducks in a row and be as prepared as you can be so that you can move quickly and efficiently in finding a home. If you want to, you may want to look up the other two videos on this subject. It's all about the home buying process. So if you have any questions, you can reach me at 248-535-3559, and I'll fill in the blanks on some of these subjects. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.